Next, we have a study from Drs. Chen and Bentley. These are two investigators who have worked together for a long time investigating food intake. So the neurobiology of what drives us to eat and what drives us to stop eating. And these investigators have published late last year a really exciting and thought-provoking paper in the journal Nature, which is a big deal in science as an article in Nature. What they found is that an unexpected region of the brain controls satiation. So satiation, or the feeling of fullness, it seems to be that satiation activity seems to originate from this anterior deep cerebellar nuclei. So in the cerebellum rather than, for example, in the hypothalamus. What they found was that they could activate this network, and it would cause animals to stop eating. So they became, they felt full. And they also did some imaging studies in humans with PWS, and they found that this network, this activation, is defective. So that is really changes our thinking about, some of the food behaviors in PWS. Maybe this initiation of satiety or feeling of fullness is really underlying many of the problems that we see. So this opens up a lot of new areas of investigation. There are other projects that are coming down the line in humans, but this one will be in mouse models of PWS now. So seeing if the mouse models of PWS also show more of this deficit, which will allow better screening of drugs. If they can show that this activation of the satiation network is defective in PWS mouse models, then you can do a lot of screening of drugs and find the ones that address this issue best. And that, would be great to be able to do that in a mouse rather than in human clinical trials, which take much longer. So we're excited about this project because it's an innovative project assessing a novel neural network that's important in initiating satiety. And I don't know about you, but my son with PWS, a lot of it seems to be that, he can eat and eat and eat without getting that sense of fullness. So it just makes sense, I think. There's direct relevance to changes in eating patterns in PWS, and this is a group that has worked collaboratively for a long time and really made some strides in understanding feeding behaviors. So this project, we believe, will help guide the development of other projects that may have novel ways of treating the aberrant behaviors, eating behaviors that we see in PWS.